Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone. First, back up your iPhone. This step is important if you want to keep your photos, contacts and apps. Then open the setting, tap on your name at the top, tap iCloud, then tap iCloud backup and choose backup now. Wait for the backup to finish and make sure you know your Apple ID password. You will need it if actions lock is turned on. Now go back to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Next tap erase all contact and setting. You will see a summary of everything that will be deleted. Tap continue. If asks enter your iPhone password, then tap erase iPhone to confirm. Your iPhone will now begin to factory reset process. This means take a few minutes. Once finished, the iPhone will be reset and display the hello setup screen. This means the factory reset is completed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.